Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money from Upwork. Upwork is a freelance platform that connects businesses with freelancers all over the world. If you have a skill that you can offer, you can use Upwork to find work and make money. How to get started on Upwork. To get started on Upwork, you'll need to create a profile. In your profile, you'll need to include your skills, experience, and rates. You'll also need to upload a resume and portfolio. Once you've created your profile, you can start browsing for jobs. When you find a job that you're interested in, you can submit a proposal. In your proposal, you'll need to explain why you're the best person for the job. Tips for getting hired on Upwork. Here are a few tips for getting hired on Upwork. Make sure your profile is complete and up to date. Use keywords in your profile so that clients can easily find you. Write a compelling proposal that highlights your skills and experience. Be responsive to clients' messages. Deliver high-quality work on time and within budget. How to make more money on Upwork. Once you've started getting hired on Upwork, there are a few things you can do to make more money. Raise your rates. Offer discounts for long-term contracts. Build relationships with clients and get repeat business. Offer additional services. Making money from Upwork is a great way to supplement your income or even start your own business. If you have a skill that you can offer, I encourage you to check out Upwork. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on how to make money online.